Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic lined up for you. We all love a good skincare hack, and today, we'll explore what happens to your skin when you rub an ice cube on your face. Yep, it's time to chill out and discover the wonders of the ice cube fascia. Before we dive in, let's understand the science behind this popular beauty ritual. When you rub an ice cube on your face, several fantastic things happen to your skin. But first, subscribe our channel for more health-related content.
Constriction of pores. When the cold ice cube touches your skin, the blood vessels underneath contract, causing your pores to constrict. This helps reduce the appearance of enlarged pores, making your skin look smoother and more refined. Reduced inflammation and puffiness. Ice has anti-inflammatory properties, which can be a game changer for reducing redness and puffiness in your skin. It's like giving yourself a mini ice-cold spa treatment at home. Enhanced circulation. By stimulating blood flow, the ice cube facial promotes better circulation to the skin's surface. This increased blood flow can give your complexion a healthy, rosy glow. Improved product absorption. Another cool benefit is that the ice cube facial can enhance the absorption of skincare products. When your pores are constricted, the products you apply afterward can penetrate deeper into the skin, making them more effective. Though the ice cube facial has numerous benefits, it's essential to exercise caution and follow some ground rules. Don't apply ice directly. Never apply ice directly to your skin. Always wrap the ice cube in a soft cloth or use an ice roller to prevent frostbite or damage to your skin. Keep it short. Short, gentle passes with the ice cube are enough. Overdoing it can lead to broken capillaries or sensitivity. Avoid sensitive areas. Avoid rubbing ice around sensitive areas like the eyes. The skin there is delicate and can be easily irritated.
And there you have it. The ice cube facial is an affordable, quick, and refreshing way to revitalize your skin. Remember to be gentle and enjoy the cooling sensation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Stay cool, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or other beauty topics you'd like us to explore, leave a comment below.